Example 1. A parallel beam of monochromatic light of wavelength 500 nanometer is incident normally on a perfectly absorbing surface. The power through any cross section of the beam is 10 watt. Find option A, the number of photons absorbed per second by the surface, and option B, the force exerted by the light on the surface. Let us calculate. Since the wavelength of the light is given, which is 500 nanometer, therefore 5 into 10 power minus 7 meter, and the power of the light also given, which is 10 watt, means 10 joules per second. That means energy of the total light is 10 joules, and it is a completely absorbing surface. So we need to calculate what is the number of photons. Number of photons carrying 10 joules of energy, and option B, we need to calculate what is the force exerted. So let us calculate first number of photons. So for that we need to calculate what is the amount of energy carried by one photon. So energy of one photon is equal to hc by lambda. That means 6.6 into 10 power minus 34 into 3 into 10 power 8 by lambda is 5 into 10 power minus 7. By simplifying, energy of one photon is equal to 3.97 into 10 power minus 19 joules. So one photon carries 3.97 into 10 power minus 19 joules, and n number of photons carries 10 joules. Therefore n number of photons or total number of photons is equal to total energy by energy of each photon. So that is 10 by 3.97 into 10 power minus 19, which will be equal to 2.52 into 10 power plus 19. So total number of total number of photons which carries 10 joules of energy is 2.52 into 10 power 19 joules. And we also need to calculate force. Force is equal to change in momentum by time. So momentum can be written as h by lambda. Therefore h by lambda can be written as c by frequency. Frequency goes up. So h nu is nothing but the total energy. Energy is nothing but 10 joules, and c is 3 into 10 power 8. So what we get? 3.33 into 10 power minus 8 Newton second. This is what the momentum. So let us calculate the force. Force is equal to 3.33 into 10 power minus 8 per time is 1 second. Therefore the final answer is 3.33 into 10 power minus 8 newtons of force will be exerted on it.